Morning guys, it is August 26th, 2021. This one I gotta go to my kid's house. She's got a problem with the AC. It's backing up into the secondary pan, and I tied the secondary pan into a drain that drips into the basement. So if it ever does act up, she notices water dripping down into her unfinished basement, so she can call me. So I think it's probably a slimed up drain or a trap that's probably blocked. So we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. She shut it off. I'm gonna go over there, climb up in the attic and see what's going on with the drain. Probably just needs a good little vacuuming. A little how you doing? Give you a little bit of how you doing. I think I got 2 of them drain connections. I might leave one for her husband so he could do that every so often. I don't know, we'll see. Not that far from her house, so I always take care of my kid. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know you do. Yeah, you love driving, Miss Molly. Miss Molly, you love driving. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there, see what's going on with her unit. You gotta love the freebies. You gotta love a freebie. So I put a drain right there. You see that drain? That goes right into the pan on the second floor. That just drips down until there's an issue upstairs. Stairs down, it's up here. Unit. See, this line runs over, that goes downstairs. There's another line that runs out there. That might be slimed up, I'm thinking. Surprise it. Looks like there's some water in there. Yeah, it looks like there might be some slime in there. We'll vacuum it out outside, see what happens. I'm surprised that didn't back up into that. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Maybe we can, if there's any schmag in there. See if we get anything out of it. quite a bit of muck in there. Yeehaw. That was a lot. I'm gonna have to cut another T in there for a vent, maybe. Seeing it a good, how you doing? I'm gonna cut this and blow the line out with my pump. We're gonna put a T on here for a vent. Stuff from the pan outside, flush that line out. It's an old Ted Cook trick. Good idea, so I'm going to use it. Old Ted Cook trick. Cleaner. Put some cleaner and glue and we'll put a vent on it. I mean, I don't think I'm getting a double trap situation, but it doesn't hurt to have it. Put a vent on it. Help it drain. Leave a cap up here in case I have to cap that to suck that trap out. I'll leave this up here. Right there. I don't know why this thing didn't work. Keep an eye on it. Turn it back on and it should start working. There was quite a bit of shit that come out of that thing. It does have pitch on it, but you never know. I mean, who the hell knows? Put that vent on there and see if that helps. This here, I put this on here for in the winter. We winterizes it so it don't freeze because this get cold. That's what that's for. Get rid of the heat. Alright, I'll turn it back on. So it should be good, and I'll keep an eye on this pan. See see if it starts leaking downstairs again. There might be an issue with this drain pan inside this unit. I'm not 100% sure about that. I think it was a block line. Guys, so I put a regular trap in there instead of that homemade one, because when I did the job I didn't have a trap, so I made that, but I put this one in instead. That might be what the problem was. I vacuumed this line out, the vacuum, and I added that trap. I put a vent on it, and he could pop this off in the winter time to put antifreeze, and that should take care of it. I did vacuum that tray out also, so we'll see what happens. Luna! Hey! Hey! It's okay. Luna! It's okay. She ain't too happy. Holy shit. What is it, Miss Molly? You miss me? I know you miss me. Oh yeah, I know you miss me. You want pets? Yo, you want pets? You want pets? You want pets? Do you miss me? Oh yeah, you love Daddy. You love Daddy. You love Daddy. Yeah, you love Daddy. You love Daddy. All right, let me finish this job. Let me finish. Be right back. Just fine subcoolant at 15, super heats at 18, pressures, suctions 143. If anything, it's a little bit overshot over, a little bit overcharged at the 14. So it's 2 years old, 2.5 years old. And subcoolant's at 13. Could be that this isn't on there right. Yeah, that clamp wasn't on there right. My subcoolant should be 9, that's where it is. Clamp was off a little bit. Gotta make sure it's on there right. Subcoolant's at 8, we're good there.